Hi guys, Fancy Fridays with me, Fancy Nancy, and today we are talking about color drenching, which is super trendy right now. So as you can see, this entire room, with the exception of the ceiling, is covered in the same color, even the doors. So this is called color drenching whenever they basically cover the entire wall with one color. I personally like it, and I actually really like this color as well. It's very calming for a bedroom, but it just kind of elevates the space. You can see it gives like a calmness, serene dramaticness to the room with keeping it all cohesive. They did add the railing, which again is beautiful. I really like it. I think the finish out is like a semi-gloss, so it's easy to wipe. Now, this is something that you could easily do to add dimension to your space. So think about that the next time you want to have like a hotel feel. Color drenching is super in. And that's Fancy Friday for today. I hope everyone is living just fancier.